Hello everyone, Sid here, back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about how to post form and get form. What is the difference between get and post? I will explain you this video also. So let's start with the get. So get, if you are passing the data, we can check from the URLs what are data passing. Suppose if we submit any form, so like a name and name value will putting set something, and email equal to we putting the suppose email@gmail.com, something we putting this kind of, so we can, everyone can check from the URL. And if we passing from the secure informations, like we don't want to show the user how what is the in URL, so we can pass from the post method. This is a secure method in Django, or every programming language. Get and post method is similar. So let's start with the get, and I will explain the after that post method. So let's start with the get. What is the get and how we will pass data from the get method? Okay, so I'm explaining you from everything, so how to load page and how to submit the form also, and how the fetch and how to everything I will explain in this video. So let's start with the beginning. I am going to create one form with the name of contact something. Okay, so let's start how to create forms. Okay, so I'm going to here, I'm going to path. If you have any doubt related to this tutorial, please watch my previous video. Everything's will clear what I'm doing here. So I have URL right now, urls.py, and I'm uploading contact forms. So if anyone hitting on URLs contact, so I will call contact page view. We will create after some time. Okay, name is equal to contact. So if this is not clear for you, I'm explaining you here. If anyone hitting the contact, automatically these functions will call with the name of the contact page view, and these functions we will create within a view. Okay, so let's start with create with the div name. With the name of div we have created, and request we need to add. Okay, so this is done now. And one more things, we need to add these functions in URLs also. Here I'm going to put, now this errors will go. Now you can check. Okay, so now I'm doing here with the view. Here we need to return something, we need to return page. Basically we need to sorry, now here we need to load page. So I'm writing here return. Now we need to write render. Within a render we need to write request, and what request and what we will do. So I'm writing here within a double quotes comma with the name of the contact dot html. I'm putting here contact dot html. Okay, so we will create this this page contact dot html, where we will put here only, sorry, we have created pages, and I'm going to create contact. This is already here, so remove this one. We have removed contact. So now I'm going to create HTML this page, and I'm writing here contact page. Okay, so I will use bootstrap, so you can check from my blog. I've added something here, and if you have it out, you can check from my blog also. Same code I have added, get versus post. So I'm going to, this is bootstrap basically, so I don't want to write a lot of code, so you can hope so understand. You can this you can also get from the bootstrap website. Okay, so now I'm going to create div. Within a div I'm going to, for the specific I'm doing bootstrap, so you hope so you will understand also more clear. If we will use bootstrap, automatically will find, so that's why I'm using bootstrap. Okay, so it's not necessary you need to write bootstrap. Okay, so here I have done, I have created here one sorry, container. Within a container I am going to create form. Okay, so this is a form. Action means what are the URLs we will give you. I will give you example also here. Method name, and here we're going to use get method. And within a form, what we need to do, I'm going to write here. Okay, this is a method basically. Now I'm going to create one demo here, and within a div I'm going to use class is equal to form group. Okay, I have created form group. Now I'm going to create label for name. You can type anything which purpose is creating label. I'm typing here name, and within a label you can write something like this, label and name. And now input tag, what type, this is text basically, and name equal to name. Okay, and now here class for the bootstrap purpose, looking its look will fine, so we can write bootstrap class here form control. And within a form control we can also write something placeholder like enter name. Okay, so now for we can also use this same thing from email, for email and text for the email we can write something this, and here also name, and now enter email. Now this is clear, hope so. And now here we need to also one submit button, so we want also button submit button, so I have right here button type is equal to submit. I will explain you more, don't worry about it. And class is equal to btn. Basically this is class for the using bootstrap. If you don't know bootstrap, yeah, I will also make one more video for the bootstrap. If you need, please comment on comment section, definitely I will make for you especially. Okay, so here btn primary, and here I'm going to type here submit. Okay, this is done from basically it's look fine maybe. So now I'm going to here and I'm going to type here contact. If anyone hitting the contact, wow, get method urls configurations maybe something issue. And let's check again, where's the url, this is the url. If anyone hitting the contact page view call, where is this views, this will call automatically request, something is error here we facing. One second, we have urls and I have called the contact, and contact page view this call, this is also, let it be something is page not found. Why? Sorry, I have written here wrong. Contact is the perfect spelling, I have written wrong. So name and email is done. Now check here, it's looking fine, so because of bootstrap. Okay, so now what we need to do, if anyone hitting, I'm explaining you this form again. So what is the actions we need to put here, where we need to pass data. Suppose we are creating form, so I'm going to create contact submit. Submit form, you can any kind of you, I have created contact submit, and contact lead I'm going to contact underscore lead. Okay, so with what method I'm using, get method. And this is a important, don't forget to write name equal to name and email equal to it. This is a important in every scripting language. If you're putting in within HTML, you're passing data, so name is a basically important thing, so we need to always think about we are passing or not. So if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section, definitely I will explain you more better way. So hope so this is clear. And okay, so where this here we again, so url, so again here I'm going to explain you more per comfort way. Okay, so now here if anyone hitting, one second, let me copy and paste something because it will take more time. So contact, sorry, path equal to anyone hitting, so we will use contact underscore late page. We will make this also, don't worry about it. So here I'm going to make add basically, here you need to also import. Okay, so here I'm going now def. Okay, and here request. Okay, this is done. Let we passing something, one second, let it be one second, we are the urls we have passed from the here, and this is done, where contact lead I'm going to write here, contact lead underscore lead. Okay, now this is done. Now I'm going to sorry, view. Here what we need to do, here we need to get all URLs which are coming from anywhere. So suppose, okay, all requests we will get from here. We will check requests are coming on. What we need to do here, we need to write request dot with method we using get. Now within a bracket we need to write name. Okay, this kind of things we need to write, name and email we will get. Now here name equal to, and here same, email equal to. So hope so this is clear for you. And here suppose I want bought data with a particular variable, so we need to pass, suppose I want concatenate this both variable, so you need to add something. If even we can pass data from where we want, and we can print from here also. So suppose I am going to return with suppose I'm going to passing third particular, so we can write here something, return render and request. Okay, so hope so this is clear for you right now. And here we need to create curly bracket something, sorry, suppose I'm going to pass data, sorry, within a contact, same within a same page contact.html, and here write comma again and use curly bracket. And whenever you pass data, so please make secure mean even whenever you passing data, so you need to understand what kind of data you're passing from here. So I'm going to write here result and colon result. Now here I forget we need to create one model also, so I'm going to within a models.py. Now here colon id int name will be string str, and email str. Now I'm going to view again. We need to import first here from dot models import, and models name is contact. So here I'm going to write contact. Now result equal to contact. We don't need to write here as a colon. Contact is done. Now result dot name and email address is here. Now result is equal to result within an array passing. Just think about always, if we passing from here from view to HTML, now we need to always write with syntax is colon result and result. Now we need to print results is here, and percentage for result in result. When you print, you need to think about Javascript. We need to write here double curly bracket, now dot result dot name and result dot email. We have two parameters. So now let's check. Name is equal to real programmer, email real programmer @ gmail.com. Now you can check here. I have printed and we passing a data within a result.html. So we have printed for result in result. Now you can check your result dot name equal to name and email equal to here. So this is the get parameters, and what we need to do in post parameters is just simple process. We don't need to write a lot of things, just print here we passing from contact, then here we need to write within curly brackets Csrf token. So I will explain you later on about the Csrf token and descriptions. Basically we write here Csrf as a security purpose. One second. So is cross-site request forgery, basically is the full form Csrf underscore token. Okay, so this is correct. Now I will show you something about the Csrf also. Now method is post. I'm going to here view your request is equal to post. This also change. Now let's check is coming or not. Name real programmer@gmail.com. Wow, we got the result real and programmer@gmail.com. Let's check again. So what is a Csrf token? I'm explaining you, just think and inspect element. Now you can check here one field input type hidden and cross-site middle token is generated from here. If we're not passing from here, so I'm showing you something about Csrf also in one second. Contact.html, just comment on this Csrf token. Now just check what will here name @gmail.com. Here Csrf verifications from abroad. Why is getting error? Because of in setting you can check as a middleware we passing here Csrf middleware. Just comment on. Now check name email @mail.com, submit. Now we get it. So but this is a bad practice, so comment this again. This is good important for if anyone want hack. So we are providing here by default Django providing CSR protection, so we don't need to write a lot of things. So now you can check here from here, just again right here. Now check, okay, name sid SIDDHART sid@mail.com. Now we get name is equal to sid and mail is equal to tharth@mail.com. This is done. If you have any doubt, please comment down comment section. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channels, and if you like this video, please give me a like. Definitely I will try to make more videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment down comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment down comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.